Sending bulk email campaigns is still one of the most impactful marketing activities for small businesses as we shift into 2026 and beyond. As a marketing strategist, I've used and tested over 20 leading email marketing tools over the last 8 years. So today, out of these, I'm going to break down and compare my top 5 email marketing software for small businesses. My goal is to help you identify the most appropriate solution for your small business. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's get into my top 5 email marketing platforms for small businesses. This list is in no particular order as each tool I'm going to cover today have specific value propositions and differences that I'm going to break down today. Okay, so what exactly are we going to compare? Well, we're going to discuss ease of use, in particular when it comes to designing and sending bulk email campaigns. Then we will look at other important features like forms, multi-channel marketing, and of course automations. Following this, we will touch on limitations and pricing, and then the type of businesses I would recommend each marketing platform to. Okay, so with that covered, and first on my list is Omnisend. This is my favorite omni-channel email marketing tool for e-commerce brands, in particular Shopify stores. In terms of ease of use and adoption, Omnisend is as easy as it gets. Again, if you're using an e-commerce platform like Shopify, the app integration is seamless and instant. Simply answer a few questions about your brand and business and add your brand assets, and away you go. Building out email campaigns from scratch or from templates is very visual, structured, and intuitive. Simply add element blocks from the left-hand side, both static elements like text, video, and images, or dynamic elements like discount codes and product recommendations, and these will automatically generate dynamic content based on the website integration that you've connected with Omnisend. Popular websites that connect with Omnisend are Shopify, WordPress, and Wix. Inside Omnisend, you can also build forms from stunning templates or from scratch. The visual building interface is similar with building email campaigns. Also, due to the seamless integration with your website builder, you do not need to touch any code to enable forms on your website for capturing and managing contacts. Now, I see Omnisend as an autonomous marketing platform because you can simply set up and leave your marketing and it will build your audience and drive sales on autopilot. This is done through their dynamic and powerful email automations. Again, you can literally just enable the template automations that you're after without customizing them whatsoever, and Omnisend will start building your business on autopilot. For example, both the abandoned cart and abandoned checkout email automations will recover your sales by automatically sending emails, SMS messages, and push notifications to those that did not quite follow through with their purchase. These automations will trigger and win over your customers on autopilot 24/7 while you sit back and work on other important activities. Alright, let's take a look at pricing. Let's say that you have a micro business with under 500 contacts. You can send up to 6,000 emails per month, as well as unlimited push notifications. This will cost you around $11 per month. Omnisend also offers a free plan for up to 250 contacts and 500 email sends per month. Now, let's say that you have a larger business with a list of 5,000 to 10,000 contacts. This will cost your business around $73 to $119 per month. I'll share this pricing comparison across all email marketing tools that we will cover in this guide. Honestly, and from my point of view, from using Omnisend across many of our businesses, there are minimal limitations. Although if you run a service-based business, then this tool is not suitable for you. It's really only geared towards e-commerce brands. Okay, so with this email marketing platform, I would personally recommend Omnisend to e-commerce stores that sell both physical or digital products and use Shopify, Wix, or WordPress as their chosen website builder. Now, if Omnisend sounds interesting to you and you want to dive deeper into Omnisend, I will add a dedicated tutorial down below in the description for you to check out. Next on my list of leading email marketing tools for small businesses is MailChimp. This is another leading email marketing platform, however more geared towards service-based businesses. MailChimp is also very easy to use and set up. The email builder interface offers blocks that you can simply drag and drop into your email campaign, similar to Omnisend. MailChimp offers over 250 integrations. One exciting integration is with Canva. You can build beautiful email campaigns in Canva's leading editor and design interface and automatically input these into MailChimp to send. This means anyone can literally create any kind of email campaign and send with MailChimp without being limited to block and layout options. That is a limitation in every email marketing platform. If you want to learn more about building email campaigns with Canva and how you can send these with MailChimp, I will add a dedicated tutorial down below that shows you this. Now, the intuitive visual builder can also be used to build forms to embed on your website. Not only this, but you can use the visual drag and drop builder to create standalone landing pages for driving specific actions like capturing new contacts for building your email list. MailChimp also allows you to build a basic business website and build high-level integrated automations. The email and SMS automation builder is very easy to use and customize, with fully customizable templates ready to go. Simply drag and drop rules and actions to create your own email or SMS flows. Automations are extensive, so when building out automations, you can leverage integrations between other apps for triggers and actions. You can integrate MailChimp as your email marketing platform with your CRM, bookkeeping, and other popular tools. I would personally recommend MailChimp to service-based businesses that use multiple tools and apps to run their business and need an email marketing platform that communicates and integrates across all platforms. MailChimp is one of the most integrated and popular email marketing tools on our list today. If you're interested in diving deeper into MailChimp, I will add a dedicated tutorial down below in the description if you're interested in diving deeper into MailChimp. Alright, next on my list is Sheetify CRM. This is actually a Google Sheets based CRM that I created for small businesses. This is more than just a Google Sheets template and allows you to send bulk personalized emails to your contacts from directly inside the Google Sheets interface. In terms of adoption and ease of use, if you're familiar with Google Sheets and other Google apps and products, then you will love using Sheetify CRM. Although keep in mind that Sheetify CRM is only appropriate if you use Gmail as your email service, either a free Google account or paid Google Workspace account. Now, sending emails is a breeze. Simply add your personalized email templates in the sheet, as well as these code snippets to pull the personalized information from your contacts. Then jump over to the contacts and lead sheet, add a specific filter based on the contacts you want to send this email template or email campaign to. Then it's as simple as selecting the email template from the menu, and just like that, you have sent your email template to your contact. Although it's important to note that email campaigns are only text-based inside of Sheetify CRM, not visual like the other tools we have mentioned today. Now, this is actually better for most small businesses, as text-based campaigns often feel more personal and intimate compared to visual image and video-based campaigns that can sometimes feel too corporate-y or salesy. I'm not actually sure if salesy is a word, but you get what I mean. Alright, so what about other tools and features that you can find inside our Sheetify CRM? Well, you can manage all your contacts, sales deals via a pipeline. You can also manage transactions, issues, as well as client tasks, and send bulk email campaigns. We also built Sheetify CRM in a way that integrates with your favorite Google apps like Google Calendar, Tasks, Forms, and Gmail. In terms of pricing, Sheetify CRM is only a one-time price, no subscriptions, and is priced at $67. This gives you full ownership over your product and your data. You also have lifetime access and lifetime updates. Okay, so for up to 500 contacts, you can send between 50 to 500 emails per day. This depends on your Google account, your free Google or paid Google account. The price is the same if you have 5,000 to 10,000 plus contacts, and then your sending limits are the same. Again, the sending limit is based on your Google account. And within Sheetify CRM, under Dashboard, you can see your daily limit quota. You can also add unlimited users to help you manage your account. I would recommend Sheetify CRM for micro and small businesses with a list of up to 5,000 contacts, and that use Gmail for their business and love Google products. If this sounds like you, then Sheetify CRM may be ideal for your business. Again, I'll add a full tutorial down below to help you get started and learn more about Sheetify CRM. Next on my list of my top 5 email marketing platforms is Brevo. Formerly Sendinblue, Brevo is an AI-powered omni-channel marketing automation platform focusing on email, SMS, and WhatsApp for driving business growth. Brevo has a simple yet functional interface for quickly engaging in the activity that you are after. In terms of email campaigns, and similar to products like Omnisend and MailChimp, you can quickly build static and dynamic email campaigns with the drag and drop block builder. Brevo is a marketing platform leader if you're after an all-in-one marketing platform. I love their sales and deal management interface that integrates with your email marketing actions inside of Brevo. You can also leverage dozens of channels to reach more people across platforms inside of Brevo. This includes SMS, WhatsApp, live chat, phone, web push, and more. These channels all seamlessly work together inside of Brevo's automation capabilities. On top of this, Brevo has over 150 integrations with third-party tools. They stand out when it comes to multi-channel automations, in my opinion. You can also manage and book meetings, manage all your conversations and deals inside of Brevo. Okay, let's take a look at Brevo's pricing. Pricing for up to 2,000 contacts and 5,000 email sends per month will set you back about $8 per month. However, the most valuable plan is the standard $16 per month plan for unlimited contacts and basically unlimited email sends per month. They also offer a freemium plan for micro businesses that generously allows for up to 2,000 contacts and 300 email sends per day. I would personally recommend Brevo as a multi-channel marketing platform if you're after an email platform that also seamlessly connects to other channels that are important to your business, like WhatsApp and phone. Also, if you're after a CRM and sales platform, Brevo has you covered with the meeting, calls, conversations, and deal capabilities. Brevo is ideal for all types of small businesses looking for not just an email marketing platform, but a sales-focused multi-channel marketing suite. I'll add a full tutorial on Brevo down below in the description to help you get the most of Brevo if you're interested in using this email marketing platform inside your business. Alright, last but not least on my list of top 5 email marketing software for small businesses is ActiveCampaign. Similar to Brevo, ActiveCampaign is not just an email marketing platform, but also a multi-channel and omni-marketing platform for small businesses. This is the most comprehensive platform we're going to cover today. Now, because this is such a full suite platform, it has a more complex learning curve compared to the other tools we have mentioned today. When it comes to creating email campaigns, it's straightforward and intuitive, with content and design elements on the far right-hand side. I personally think they have the best AI capabilities built in, as you can actually generate not just email campaigns with AI, but also full email automations and multi-channel automation sequences. This is done with a simple prompt. These powerful AI capabilities are something that other platforms we mentioned today have not yet succeeded with. So when it comes to building email campaigns and automations, you can quickly and easily do this with AI. Now with ActiveCampaign, you can also leverage their built-in CRM and deals capabilities. They also have WhatsApp marketing, SMS, and of course multi-channel automation similar to Brevo. Except in my opinion, the CRM and sales features that you can find inside of ActiveCampaign are more integrated and advanced compared to Brevo's. You can also integrate with over 1,000 apps. Now ActiveCampaign pricing is a bit confusing. You need to identify if you're just after email capabilities or just WhatsApp capabilities, or are you after both? And then there are add-ons depending on the marketing and sales activities and automations that you need. ActiveCampaign pricing for up to 1,000 contacts is $15 per month with 10,000 email sends per month. Then 10,000 contacts, you're looking at around $150 per month for basic features and up to 100,000 email sends per month. So it's comparatively more expensive compared to the other tools we've mentioned today. They also do not have a free plan, just a 14-day free trial. I would recommend ActiveCampaign to growing consultancies and agencies that need a more complex system for advanced marketing needs. If you're interested in diving deeper into ActiveCampaign, I will add a comprehensive tutorial down below in the description. However, that is it for my top 5 email marketing software for small businesses. I hope this helped you identify the best marketing platform for your business. I'll add links to each of the tools I've mentioned today, as well as the relevant tutorials I've mentioned to help you get started. And there we have it for this email marketing guide for small businesses. Now, if you have any questions about any of the tools that we mentioned today, make sure to pop them down below in the comments. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.